watching for a potential long. Let's see if we can see 55. There's 55. I went some long. There it is. I chased it. Fuck. I got really... So I just went some long at 55. I chased it. A really small size. So IONM looking good. We got a nice downtrend break. IONM is the top gainer. So right now the KTTA crew is moving in IONM. This is a downtrend break. I mean we're at all-time high volume. We've got 58 there. I mean so right now my stop is 55. My stop is 55. So it better hold 55. So now my target is over 60 in IONM. I mean, it could do 70 for all I know. There we go, 58. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. We got 60 coming up. I mean, I'm only trading with like small size. Like my sizing right now, all these plays are C setups. Maybe this one is an A setup. IONM, look at that, 60 cents. I'm already up 10%. Look at that. IONM just hitting my scanner. I mean, I'm trading this with a C-type setup size. I'm not trading this with an A-type setup size. I'm trading it with a C-type setup. Maybe I should have traded this one with like an A-type setup. A B-type setup. There we go. 63. What is the high there? 65. So I'm going to be selling some at 62. 62 is pretty good. I'm going to be selling some 62 just to pay myself along the way. Selling some 62. So 55 to 62 is a great trade, I think. Come on, just hit me at 62 and I'll sell some there. 62. So that's a pretty good trade. A downtrend break up to 62. I mean, I only traded this one a couple $100. Small $100 trade. I mean, that's pretty simple. 55 to 62. Just it's a downtrend break. It's very, easy. It's not that hard. So, I mean, IONM has potential to go up to like 70, 80, 90 cents, but no news. I don't know. I'm not really I don't know. Cuz the last one that I traded with no news was just a piece of crap. So, we're watching this one. Let's see what else do we have on the scanner. LPTV. Not really my favorite. So right now we have KTTA that's just selling off all day. We have IONM. So right now the KTTA crew is moving into IONM. So I might cancel that order. Cancel the order. Cancel the order. Cancel. I canceled the order. Okay. So right now you have the KTTA crew moving into... Wow, that's a nice bounce of KTTA. Moving into IONM. IONM, we're potentially going to break that 65. I'm going to hold my long for a bit because this is looking like a daily breakout of 60. I mean, a lot of breakout traders are going to look at this, going to be like 55, 60. I mean, what's next? It's going to be 70, 80. I mean, you'll be surprised how things... KTTA is bouncing off the VWAP again. That's a secondary bounce off VWAP. Look at that. That's a nice bounce off VWAP. 78 to 84. So IONM. Damn, we hit that 62 and we didn't break through. Come on, IONM, you know we could do it. So you got KTTA bouncing a bit. And I think the IONM crew, IONM, I mean, you don't have insiders in there, but the float is 6 million, volume is 25 million. So I have better hopes of IONM making a big move than I do have KTTA. KTTA, the price, this is done. This is just way overextended. And IONM, I mean, you have, I mean, this thing could do like 60, 70 cents right now because you have 2 daily breakouts and all-time high volume. I mean, this thing, I think it could do like 70 cents. IONM. I'm definitely not buying KTTA. I think KTTA is done. KTTA is just done. It's probably going to go sell off most of the day. And the traders are probably going to look at the second top movers and they're going to press the buy button. That's what I would be doing. Because, you know, IONM is just the #2 top gainer right now. So you got to think ahead of the sheep. So, I mean, I'm just trying to get these people to buy it over 62, 65, 67.5. It hit 67.5, I'll be happy. You know, right now KTTA selling off under VWAP, hardcore sell-offs. Here, I made some money on that one. And IONM, we're trying to break through 65. This is a daily breakout. Next resistance could be freaking 90 cents on no news. I mean, people are going to buy something. People are going to look at KTTA under VWAP piece of shit, and they're going to press the buy button to buy this one because this is a daily breakout of 55.60. They're going to think 75.85. And even though it doesn't have news, the float is quite low, and it's rotated like 4 times. So you got a 6 milli float rotated 4 times. I mean, you got to think like 70, 75. I mean, I just want it over highs. I just want to get this predictable downtrend break of 55, punch in some 55s, and get out at over 65. It's a 20% move. I mean, we're just eating those up. 50, 65. Give me out. Give me the fuck out. There we go. There we go. 64. I'm selling that resistance. There we go. 68. Oh, freaking. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That is a beautiful. Look at that. That is a beautiful breakout right there. Look at that. All the guys from KTTA that were like, oh shit, this is going to the crapper. They just punched in IONM. This is the reason why you have this humongous ass candle. You see that humongous candle? 2 million in volume in that candle. They just punched into the next one. You know, they will punch into something. There's this humongous amount of volume that is going to go somewhere. Technically, I didn't buy it with... Actually, this is an A-type setup. This is not really a C-type setup or a B-type setup. I punched it in with like a C size, and I still made like $400 on this C-type setup. So look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 77 in IONM. I mean, it's just surging like a freaking rocket. IONM. Is that halted? Guys, IONM is halted up. Every single Monday, I've been selling. Every single Monday, I sell my winners too soon. It's a habit. I look at it every single day. It's just ridiculous. Like IONM, I was looking at it and it doesn't have news. It was a textbook breakout of 55 or 60. I bought it at 55 and it's at 75. And I have no shares left. And this is a common thing that I've been struggling with because I show up on Monday, I buy the right ones, and then throughout the whole day, I watch the same stock that moves on Monday go up like 20, 30, 40% without me. Like here. See? I've been doing this a lot. Just because, you know, I've been doing this a lot. Like my sizing wasn't good. My exit wasn't good. Actually, what was the exit that I got out of? I think my exit was 65. Let me see my order. Damn, 65. I bought it at 55, sold it at 65. That's terrible. It's terrible. So, you guys, you can make money in the stock market. It's not really that hard. You can make money. You can make a lot of money in trading these tickers. And you have to just hold your winners. That's probably it. You're going to have to hold your winners. Because if you hold your winners, you'll be all right. You'll be all right. So in order to get signed up for my drawing, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. There's Lucy there. Lucy's coming to VWAP Reclaim. I have not traded Lucy. That's the global licensing agreement, whatever. But IONM is now halted. I see it on my halt scanner over there. There's IONM. Let me put that over here. Put that there. About there. I see that over here. So let's see. We can put this smaller. About there. So I do see that on my halt scanner. There it is. IONM on the top left. So we got KTTA that's selling off. IONM, humongous price action. Humongous price action. So my problem is, like, you know, if I were going to say, like, Monday I have to show up and you have to bet with medium size. My problem right now is not my entry. My problem is primarily trying to distinguish between an A setup, a B setup, or a C setup, trying to figure out like what kind of size I should do, because sometimes, you know, I just don't know, and I'm not sure like what kind of size. So right now I'm just wiggling with size. Right now I'm doing small size on all these trades and I'm still making money. So, you know, I got the right idea. KTTA selling off, which I thought is gonna sell off, and it did. And IONM, perfect downtrend break at 55. We hit like 77. This is like a rocket. IONM rocket. Look at that rocket. Impressive rocket here today. Impressive rocket here today. That is insane. 55 to 75 in just like 15 minutes. I mean, that's a huge gain. I mean, very nice breakout of 55.65, and the next resistance is $1, and it's, I was just look at that volume, like 2 million per 1 minute candle. As soon as it breaks 62, we had a short squeeze, a daily breakout, and like 62 to 75, like 10 cents, 15% in like just a very small amount of time. Insane. And now we should unhalt at 9:40. We should unhalt at around 9:50. NXTP. No, I was watching that downtrend there, but this is a bounce short. So I'm not really that interested in buying this one. This is a bounce short. What does a bounce short mean? It means we had a huge move over here, and now it bounces, and I mean, whoa, IONM. I had 80 cents. Unreal. I mean, so many people were just piling into the buy button. I mean, right now it looks like we're getting close to like the 90 area possible. Unreal. The opportunities that were presented to us in IONM. Very nice. So on Monday, remind me to not sell my winners too soon. I mean, KTTA was a kick-ass trade. IONM was a very decent trade, but, you know, remind me to hold my winners longer, because I didn't hold that winner longer than I should be. Oh, that's a winner I should hold. So I've been watching my trading, and looks like on Monday I just sell my longs too soon, because you can see like 90 cents now. This is just unreal amount of opportunity here going on in the markets. IONM, we're at 90 cents, guys. 90 cents. That is and the stock has no news. I'm telling you, there's this amount of volume, and you know, and then it goes without me like that, and now we're hit like that resistance point 95 where people are unloading. I would probably, you know, if I were like a smarter long, I would be unloading in between 95 and $1, but I'm not a smart long. I'm a very shitty long. I'm a long that takes profits very quickly, and then watches stocks go up 50 to 60% on Monday usually. I've been doing that consistently. I've been consistently selling my winners too soon on Monday. I've been consistently selling those winners too soon. Um, I've been doing that a lot. It's a habit that I'm trying to brush off. Like same thing with the sizing. I'm trying to do with the sizing thing. Like it's not like I have problems making money. I have problems holding my winners too long, not long enough, and I have problems with sizing. Those are like my two problems. I don't have problems making money. I have problems with the sizing and not holding my winners too for long enough. My problem is not the money. My problem is how much money I'm making and how much and to lose less money and the sizing and pretty much holding my winners. But you can see my you can see those are like my. I mean, I already figured out how to make money. But the problem right now is sizing and like holding my winners. But you can do better. You can do better. So just remember, guys, to sign up for my free live stream. What's up, traders, and welcome to my stream. Today is we have 4 weeks ahead of us of live streaming, and just want to get you guys situated here. How you guys can get signed up for a free drawing. So first place the drawing is gonna be on January 5th. It's gonna be on a Friday. So the way to sign up for my free giveaway that I'm giving up this year is pretty much comment and like all my live streams that I'm gonna do between now. I think we're December 11th through like January 5th. You have to like, you have to comment, and you also have to pretty much put your email on one of my website signups. This week, we are in pretty much a Christmas kind of deal. We have 4 weeks of live streaming on YouTube, and just gonna get you guys started in what a pretty much a very hot market that we're gonna be in. And I'm giving a free giveaway on January 5th, and all you gotta do is go to my live streams, like, comment, and subscribe to my email newsletter on my website, and you're gonna get enrolled. So for the first place, I'm gonna be giving an annual membership. Second place, I'm gonna giving a 6-month membership, and for the third place, I'm gonna be giving trade idea settings. So the annual and the 6-month is gonna have trade idea settings included, and for the third place, you just get the trade idea settings. Those are like my free giveaways that I'm giving up to you guys on January 5th. I'm gonna put a random drawing. Every single one is gonna be, I'm gonna pretty much pick a video, pick a comment, and everything's gonna be random. I'm gonna use a randomwheel.com or something like that. And just like we did last time, it's gonna be awesome. So in the meantime, for the next 4 weeks, you guys could enjoy live streaming each and every day for about till 8 till about 11 or 12, maybe sometimes into 12. So it's gonna be a very long 4 weeks of work. And then we're gonna do a nice drawing, and everything's gonna be amazing. We also have some seasonal sales that are coming up, Christmas and New Year. So it's gonna be an exciting time of the year. Gotta get ready in the markets, and that's kind of like what we have going on. This is actually my setup that I'm gonna be live streaming each and every day. So make sure you like, comment, send me an email if you have any other questions. Other than that, good luck, everybody. January 5th, somebody's gonna receive yearly, a 6-month, and my trade ideas settings that I've been working so hard to share with you guys, since you guys are new, and get you started trading stocks. Other than that, stay tuned for my weekly review of what I've been trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's been a kick-ass week, and I'm very happy with my profits. Other than that, peace out, everybody.